Greetings everyone. Let us recall about reptiles. Reptiles are cold-blooded oviparous vertebrates. Cold-blooded means they do not maintain their body temperature according to the environment. Oviparous means they lay eggs. Features of reptile. As you can see, they have dry and scaly skin. They have lungs to breathe. They also lay hard-shelled eggs on sand. Let us know about birds. Birds are aerial oviparous vertebrates. They are warm-blooded. Aerial means they spend most of their time in the sky. Features of birds. They have wings and a beak. They also have feathers on their body. They have got lungs to breathe. They have light and hollow bones, which makes them lightweight and helps them to fly in the air. Mammals. Mammals are warm-blooded, viviparous vertebrates. Warm-blooded means that they can maintain their body temperature according to the environment. If it is winter, their blood does not cool down, and if it is summer, it is not heated up. Viviparous means they give birth to young babies. Features of mammals. Mammals have sweat glands under their skin, from where sweat comes out. We also sweat when we exercise or run fast. They have ear pinna and hair all over the body. The females have mammary glands to feed their young babies with its own milk. Let us know about single-celled animals. Amoeba is one of the examples of single-celled animal. Single-celled animal means all the body functions like breathing, digestion, egestion are done through one single cell. Amoeba don't have a definite shape. It keeps on changing its shape. You can see in the picture. And it is found in pond water. Thank you for paying attention and have a wonderful day ahead.